Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am preparing chicken with salad. Ingredients we need are half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 by 4 teaspoon garlic, 1 by 4 teaspoon ginger, 1 by 4 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. For this recipe, I need 1 kilogram boneless chicken. I cut meat in this size, but if you want to make it smaller, it's your choice. I will prepare this in fry pan, but if you're going to use air fryer or oven, then put 1 tablespoon olive oil for taste. Now add spices and mix everything well together. I will leave it to marinate for 4 to 6 hours. If you marinate more, it will taste better. Preheat 1 tablespoon olive oil and add marinated chicken. Stir chicken for a few seconds and then add 1 tablespoon water and cover it for 10 to 12 minutes. I always say if you really want a good taste, always cook on a low medium heat. It will taste much better. It will be cooked from outside and inside as well. Now add 1 tablespoon water and cover it for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10-12 minutes, I remove the cover. You notice water in the pan. This is normal. Now we change the sides and then cook it again for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, I remove the cover. Now I will change the sides and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes or until water dry. As I mentioned in the start of the video, chicken does not need to be in slices. You can cut in cubes. There will be no difference in taste. After changing the sides, now stir it well and cook it for few minutes. All water is dry. Now chicken is ready. You can see oil in the pan. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and leave the comment in the comment box. Take care. I will see you soon with a new video. Goodbye.